In a historic first, we've been able to see weather patterns on an exoplanet, sort of, on the next Astronomy and Coffee. Alright folks, how's it going? As we settle into our new work week here this Monday, what day is it? The 8th. That's what it is. Alright, so yes, we have been able to, but we've been able to see some weather patterns on an exoplanet called Tylos. Have you heard of Tylos or WASP 121b? Let's take a look over here for a second. There we go. Hey. So yes, this exoplanet is over here in this constellation called Puppis. And then we're going to go to that in 1 second. Let's go to it now. Alright, now we're talking. Okay. Oh my goodness. Let's back up a little bit here. So, there you see it. And I'm going to pull up. That makes it look a little bit better. So, this is what I'm talking about right here. There we go. That's bit easier to see. Well, let's talk about this planet here and how we were able to find out its weather patterns and how we were able to see it. Well, after years of research and being able to combine data from the Hubble Space Telescope in combination with computer modeling, astronomers have found evidence for massive cyclones and other dynamic weather patterns and swirling about this hot Jupiter-sized planet. So, it is a Jupiter-sized planet, so no, it is not habitable. But it is a good early start in establishing weather patterns on planets to find habitable worlds out there. That's a hard word to say, habitable. Again, we are here on this Monday. I hope you enjoy these Astronomy and Coffee shows. Hopefully you will give me a like and a subscribe to this channel as I do these every week. Just some updates on what is going on out there in the space and our cosmos. Starting the week off right here at the Louisiana Art and Science Museum. Well, you're probably asking, how do they get this information? Well, to get this data, scientists were able to take observations from Hubble observations. These were taken in the years of 2016, 2018, and 2019. They then took those findings to discover that the planet had a dynamic atmosphere that changed over time. This planet orbits very close to its star and has an orbital period of about 1.27 days. I'm going to take a look over here again. Speed up time a little bit here. Let's see how this puppy orbits around here. As you can see, the planet is blowing off its atmosphere right there. It's so close to it. So let's just kind of take a look at that there. Dial down this exposure a tad. Actually, tell you what, let's focus on the star itself. There we go. There we go. Oh, we have the star orbiting. That's fine. Stop. Alright. So it has an orbital period of 1.27 days, whips around its star quite fast. Now that being said, it is tidally locked to the star, which means only one side of the planet faces the star at any time. It's kind of like how our moon faces our Earth and how we only see one side of the moon. It's tidally locked to us, and that is why this star and this planet has a daytime side always facing its star. Well, this is a significant step forward in combining observational constraints and atmospheric simulations to better understand time-varying weather on hot planets like WASP 121b. And when I say hot, the surface temperature on this planet is around 3,450 degrees, 3,450 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so you might be asking yourself and asking me, who cares? It's not habitable anyway. What do we care about this? Well, studying exoplanets and the weather patterns of these exoplanets is vital to understanding the complexity of exoplanet atmospheres on other worlds, especially in the search for exoplanets with habitable conditions. So, it is very cool that we can now, there we go, hey, we can now look at exoplanets from far away and use data from other satellites and observatories like the Hubble Space Telescope, James Webb, and determine what kind of weather patterns they have, and then we will use computer models and simulations to see what those weather patterns look like, aiding us in the search for habitable worlds out there that possibly could have life. That was Tylos, or WASP 121b. Getting mixed up here. So, to find out more about that, you can look up Tylos and WASP 121b. Well, I mentioned this last week. We do have a new show debuting in the planetarium. It is called, let me switch back over here. This is getting ridiculous. That's better. And let's look over here. So yes, we do have a new show in the, where's the camera at? In the planetarium called 321 Liftoff. Let's look at the entire trailer, because if you haven't seen a show in the planetarium, you are missing out. We don't just have Sky Tonight shows with the planets and the stars and the constellations and stuff, the things that you remember from your field trips to planetariums, but we also have large format films like America's Musical Journey, National Parks Adventure. We also have full dome shows, which are feature presentations that cover the entire dome, like 321 Liftoff. So this is a beautiful show. It is a great show for all ages. Take a second to look at the trailer here, and I'll see you in a second.
Hello? I'm Elon, the engineer. Nice to meet you. So you fell here from there. Is it a countdown? Down to the launch of your spaceship. I promise you that I will get you back to your spaceship in no time. All right, now we have to figure out how to do it. It works! Number 8, it works! We should see your spaceship right over there. Where is it? Yes! 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 No, 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 turn! I'll build up a second floor for you, and then we can stay here together. You'd be sure to have some advice. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, lift off. I'm going to explore outer space. Wow. I'm not gonna poop my pants over one jump.
So that is starting Saturday. Is it the video? Saturday? Yes. Saturday, January 20th. Last week I said the 27th. We pushed it back a little bit here, so it is on the 20th. And from then on, it will be a regular presentation in our planetarium. Swing by and check it out. We have many other things going on in the Louisiana Art and Science Museum too. Please look at our website, lasm.org. Lots going on, a whole bunch of stuff going on, always things interesting going on here. Please visit that website, like and subscribe to this video series and this channel on YouTube. Follow us on Facebook. You know the drill. Helps us out in the long run. So I will see you next week for another Astronomy and Coffee.